Ladies and gentlemen, Andhra Pradesh state has remarkably been productive with schemes like YSR Raitu Bharosa, which stands out as an interesting model for village-level procurement, and pre-announced minimum support. YSR Cheyuta focuses on economic empowerment and middle-aged women through livelihood-linked loans. Schemes like Disha and Abhay, as aimed to enhance women's safety and security, have made a marked difference in the law and order perception. Several revolutionary measures in the past 2 years to make governance more efficient and transparent. Innovative measures have been taken across sections, and the entire credit goes to the dynamic Chief Minister. Rashtra Prajala Prayojaname Sankalpanga, Abhivruddhe Ayuvu Pattuga, సంక్షేమమే ధ్యేయంగా ప్రజలకి అండా దండగా ఉంటూ ప్రజల నాయకుడిగా పేరొందిన గౌరవనీయ ముఖ్యమంత్రి వర్యులు శ్రీ వైఎస్ జగన్మోహన్ రెడ్డి గారిని ప్రసంగించవలసిందిగా మనవి. May I now request the Honorable CM to deliver the keynote address.
And I personally thank the Chairman and Managing Director, Mr. Sanjay Puri ji, for having come all the way to Guntur. As he said, the partnership with ITC offers us a wonderful opportunity. This hotel that we are currently inaugurating is just one among the many initiatives that can be contemplated. In fact, it's wonderful that we have the Guntur town actually has a 5-star hotel. It's wonderful that ITC is part of it. The partnership with ITC, what we look forward in areas, especially in agriculture, especially in food processing, these are the areas where transformational changes could be brought about in the way agriculture is actually perceived. In the state of Andhra Pradesh, if you were to go to any of these villages, you would actually see transformational changes in 3 sectors: the education, the health, and the agricultural sectors, where you actually have an RBK, Raitu Bharosa Kendra, almost 10,700 of them present in every village, hand-holding the farmer right from what seed and what crop to be planted, to hand-holding the farmer right up to the stage of actually marketing the produce. In fact, the concept of RBK will totally transform agriculture, and this, along with the infrastructure in agriculture, what is created, what is to be created, and what is being currently created at the village level, be it at the primary processing level and at the parliament level, secondary processing level. That's where ITC also would play a very important role, coming together with the state of Andhra Pradesh. Having said this, it's wonderful to have a 5-star hotel in Guntur town, and also it's wonderful that this hotel is the first LEED Platinum certified hotel also in Andhra Pradesh. That's also wonderful news. And moving further, we hope to have a strong partnership with ITC in a very big way, in sectors pertaining to tourism, in sectors pertaining to food processing and agriculture. And I strongly believe and hope that this partnership of ours, that this endeavor of ours would go a long way. I once again appreciate and thank Mr. Sanjay Puri for this wonderful initiative. Thank you.